Hey guys! Welcome back to the news motorbike. When we look at Suzuki in the modern era, the approach feels pretty straightforward. Build reliable bikes with safe designs that sell. But if we roll back to the 1990s and early 2000s, that was truly Suzuki's golden era. Across motorcycles, they had products that stood out. The GSX-R series, a superbike line that put Suzuki on the world stage of performance motorcycles. But at the very end of the 90s, Suzuki launched something even bigger. A motorcycle that wasn't just another sport bike, but a machine that instantly became a historic milestone. That bike was the 1999 Suzuki Hayabusa. The concept was clear. Suzuki wanted to enter the hypersport market and build the fastest production motorcycle in the world. The name Hayabusa was inspired by the peregrine falcon, the fastest bird, capable of diving at speeds over 250 kilometers per hour. It was a perfect symbol for Suzuki's vision of speed and dominance. The design, led by Yoshio Yashitane, focused heavily on aerodynamics and originality. When the bike was first revealed in 1999, people weren't talking about the engine right away, they were struck by the bodywork. Its aggressive curves and flowing lines were unlike anything else at the time. The factory copper brown/silver color scheme highlighted its futuristic look and emphasized the aerodynamic bodywork. Underneath that unique fairing sat a 1,298 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline-4 DOHC engine, producing 175 horsepower and 138 newton-meters of torque, paired with a 6-speed gearbox. The top speed, an incredible 312 kilometers per hour, 194 miles per hour, which made it the fastest production motorcycle in the world at that time. Its performance was so high that it nearly matched the lap times of 500 cubic centimeters MotoGP prototypes of the era. Handling was surprisingly good for a hypersport. With a dry weight of 215 kilograms, 474 pounds, it was relatively light for its class and stable at speed. Braking came from dual 320mm discs with 6-piston calipers up front and a single 240mm disc with a 2-piston caliper in the rear. Bridgestone even developed a special tire, the BT56J, specifically for the Hayabusa to improve high-speed stability. But 1999 remained special. Starting in 2000, the Hayabusa was subject to the Gentlemen's Agreement, an informal deal among Japanese and European manufacturers to limit top speed to 300 kilometers per hour, 186 miles per hour, mainly due to safety concerns. That's why the 1999 Hayabusa is remembered as the fastest version ever built. In the US, it quickly became a drag racing favorite, often fitted with extended swing arms but still running the stock 1,299 cubic centimeters engine because it was already so capable. Today, collectors still seek out the 99 model, not just as a machine, but as a long-term investment. In the end, the 1999 Suzuki Hayabusa wasn't just about speed. It represented an era when manufacturers pushed boundaries, and it remains one of the most influential hypersport motorcycles ever made.